Hello, hello, lovely writers, and welcome to this week's Writerly Wednesday. Straight up, I'm going to apologize for the quality of my voice. I've been a bit sick. I'm on the mend, but I'm not quite there yet. And still, I didn't want to wait to give you this support in your writerly journey because it has come up quite a few times in just the past few weeks where writers are coming to me saying something along the lines of, but somebody else has already done it, or I just saw a movie and this scene is exactly like a scene in my book, or somebody else has written that particular quandary. And I want to give you confidence to keep writing even if or when that sort of thought pops up. So let's dive into it today. Almost every writer everywhere has had that experience where something that they thought they had, an idea that they thought they had that was totally unique and special and not out there in any other way, maybe even in terms of a particular phrase or a very specific sort of scene that they were going to have, a conversation that two characters were going to have, and then they see it out in the world and it dashes their confidence and their hope. It's happened to me. I get it. But here's the thing. The truth is, over and above everything else, there are virtually no totally unique ideas. Tropes are a thing, right? So that means that there are certain themes and tropes that we're going to look at time and again. Why does this still work? And why should you sort of lean back into it instead of fight it? Because that is what we're really looking for as readers. Unlike our initial thought that we want to be totally unique, it's not the idea. That's not what we're looking for. We're looking for totally new insight. We're looking for something that is completely specific. How does this happen? If somebody else has a similar idea, a similar concept, a similar scene setting, it's because you are the unique component. Literally, that's it. Your unique way of looking at things in the world is what we're looking for. Now, you may take the same set of circumstances, similar characters, and the way everything plays out will eventually be slightly different. We're not looking for a totally unique idea. We're looking for your totally new insight into that. It can still be troublesome. I get it. But what I would long for you to do, instead of worrying about, number one, over-analyzing that other scene or that other concept and trying to, again, turn it so that it's totally unique, look inside yourself and find out what deeper truth can I convey using this same scene, same set of characters, same set of circumstances, or this theme that I'm looking at? What is something that only I can bring because I have my own unique experience growing up, my unique genetics, my unique schema, that is all of the things that have affected me to get me to the place I am now? How can I bring that to this particular scene, set of characters, set of circumstances, whatever your ultimate message is? Stop trying so hard to be the super special butterfly and just be the super special person that you are. That's it. That's what we're looking for. Insight, depth, a totally different look at it. And here's another thing I will share. So look, this video obviously isn't as clear cut. It's not like top 5 things. I'm just giving you a pep talk. What I have found when writers are talking to me about this thing and feeling dejected and downhearted that their idea is already out there, number one, that's good. In publishing, we want to know that this has a proven audience. And it's proven if it's out there and it's already selling well and there's interest, right? That means if I put my voice into the choir of other voices, somebody is going to want to listen. They like this song, so I'm going to sing it, but I'm going to give it my little twist, right? That's number one. We don't want something that is totally brand new, because then you're having to do the hard work of proving it's a thing. It's fine to go with something that's proven. Number two, you think that what they've done is exactly like what you have done. I personally am in this really unique position where I've read a lot of people's work, especially when it's in process, and I can see what they're talking about when they come to me and say, oh my God, somebody's already done the thing I was gonna do. And I look at that other thing and I say, that's not exactly what you're saying. And that's not exactly what you're doing. So I want you to keep doing it your way. Keep going. Chances are this feeling of, oh no, somebody has already done it, therefore all of my hard work is for naught, is simply your internal editor jumping onto something to get you to stop so that you can stay safe. And in this case, safe means not putting my ideas out there for potential back chat or any sort of criticism at all. And so you remain invisible. And I'm encouraging you to become more visible. In fact, I'm encouraging you to go further than you thought you were, deeper into that process or that concept that you are worried somebody else has already done. We don't want to worry about did they do it better. By the way, that's a judgment call. You're going to get 5 people say the other person did it better, and then you can get 5 people or more that say that you did it better. The point is to do it your way. So if this has happened to you recently, and I know there are probably thousands of writers and creators out there that are feeling this right now, somebody else did it, I can't do it. I have literally had the same. Do you know how many videos there are supporting writers on YouTube and other platforms? But I'm going to continue to show up because number one, I don't know if you've seen their video. I don't know if you've gotten the support that you need. Or number two, maybe you don't resonate with them. The same is true for the work that you're doing. There may be somebody else out there that says something similar to you or has written something similar to you, but everyone is not their audience. And I want you to continue to hold on to the passion that you had for whatever idea or concept you are looking to share, and share it for the people who are waiting for your voice to share it. That's it this time. If I've been helpful at all, please click that like button below. You can click the subscribe button, hit the bell so you're notified every time I upload more tips, tricks, support, pep talks like this. And please share it if you found it useful and you've got other writers in your life that you think would love the same content. As always, I'm here to support you. So if you have a question you'd like me to address on a future episode of Writerly Wednesday, drop it in the comments. Email me, anjanette@storyislife.com. But until next time, I hope you have a beautiful writerly week, and I'll see you next time. Bye, writers.